love you.
which are both efficient and non-invasive. Once again, congratulations to Forever Beautiful Facial and Slimming Corporation. Please come on stage. And to our next award.
The Seal of Excellence Awards confers the 2016 Outstanding Skincare and Body Shaping Services Provider Award to It Figures Facial and Slimming Salon.